All right, welcome back. And now we're going to show you how to connect your custom fields in PracticePanther to PrimaFacie. So the idea is you've probably been collecting some data like alien numbers, maybe dates of birth, places of entry, things like that, in some of your basic intake forms in PracticePanther. Well, you can save that data and transfer it into Prima and use that in auto-filling fields as well. So let's do that by first going to the administrator panel. And this is assuming you've already connected your account to PracticePanther. So let's go to the integrations tab here. And we're going to click on the button for custom fields under PracticePanther. And it's going to show us all of our custom fields inside of PracticePanther. And you can either click all to import all, or you can import them one at a time by clicking here. So if you have a practice where you have multiple practice areas and you don't need them all, you don't need all of them, you can be selective in which ones you're going to use in the system. All right, we've imported those. We're going to close this window. You'll see it refreshes the page and brings us here. All right, now we want to be able to match that with autofilling fields inside PrimaFacie. So let's just make sure everything matches up. Let's click Edit here. And we want to make sure that we have the module, the contact module selected, because these are all custom fields that have to do with a contact. So we're going to add/edit that. And that gives us a drop-down menu. Let's do that with all three of these. It's also a contact level, and this one is also contact level. All right, now this is important to be aware of, right? On the left-hand side, the PrimaFacie custom field. We imported the names and all the custom fields from PracticePanther to Prima, and we've created those inside Prima now. So we're calling these the PrimaFacie custom field, and we want it to match with this field in PrimaFacie. So inside Prima, we have a bunch of fields that we use for autofilling data. Many of them are found here. So let's find one for alien number. Here we go. There it is. So now, when you import a contact, and he has, or that contact has this custom field, and now that it's linked to this alien number autofilling field in Prima, you're going to be able to use that alien number with the contact to autofill the forms in the right place. And let's look at married. This is actually a checkbox. So we're going to select the right entry here. Married. Oh, that's single. That's the wrong one. Married. There we go. And something for like the NVC case number. That could be something that you keep track of. Let me see where we have. Here we go. And the National Visa Center case number. So we've got those matched. All right, now let's go test it out. All right, let's demonstrate how to import a contact and bring in those custom field values then. So let's go to our search box in Prima, and we're going to search for Sheldon. Sheldon Arthur Cooper. Here we go, Sheldon Cooper. We're going to click that. We see the name. We see the address come in from this contact. Biographic information. We've got the email. And here's the alien number. That's one thing that we determined. The fact that it's married is right there. Under immigration information, we can see the CDJ case number for the NVC that we put in a custom field. And we can review these custom fields here as well. So we see that custom field information. And we click import. So now, just to be thorough, why don't we go create him a real quick case. And let's do, what's a real quick form? Here we go. And there's a G28 in that case type, so let's go there. And now let's go to our forms. Here's our G28. The applicant or immigrant right here is going to be Sheldon Cooper. We're going to say yes. Let's go ahead and click. All right, and you can see that the attorney information shows up here. Client's information. Going to show up on here, and there's the email and all his information there. Address, let's look for that alien number. There it is. There's the alien number we were waiting for. And let's move on to the next thing. So that's how easy it is to connect your custom fields from PracticePanther to PrimaFacie. Now this is going to let you save data that you've already collected. And I know that PracticePanther has a lot of great intake sheets that you can use, intake forms that you can build or put on your website, so you can start collecting some of this basic data like the A number real early on. And what you could even do is, I mean, even everything that you see on the contact profile here under the general info. If we click edit, you see all these fields. All these are things that you can begin to collect very early on in the process. And then when you're ready, you import it into here. All right, and that's how easy it is. Thanks.